Hello children. Welcome back to my channel Let's Learn with MG. Today we will learn about life cycle of butterfly. Butterflies are among the most fascinating creatures in the natural world. They undergo a remarkable transformation called metamorphosis, which includes 4 distinct stages: egg, larva, caterpillar, pupa, chrysalis, and adult butterfly. Each stage has its own purpose, characteristics, and survival strategies. Let's explore each stage in depth. First stage is the egg. The butterfly life cycle begins when a female butterfly lays her eggs. Egg location: eggs are usually laid on the leaves or stems of host plants. These plants are carefully chosen because the caterpillar will rely on them as its first food source. Butterfly eggs may be round, oval, or cylindrical. Some have ribbed patterns or a smooth surface depending on the species. Size of the eggs are extremely small, often no larger than the head of a pin. And most eggs appear white, yellow, green, or pale cream color. Depending on the species and weather conditions, the eggs may hatch in 3 to 7 days. The egg protects the developing larva and provides a safe space until it is ready to emerge as a caterpillar. The next stage is the larva, caterpillar. When the egg hatches, a tiny larva called a caterpillar emerges. The caterpillar's main job is to eat and grow. Characteristics of caterpillars. Caterpillars have long, soft bodies with multiple segments. They possess 3 pairs of true legs near the head, and additional fleshy prolegs towards the back for gripping surfaces. Immediately after hatching, many caterpillars eat their own eggshell, which provides essential nutrients. Then they begin feeding on the host plant's leaves. Caterpillars grow extremely fast. As their skin does not stretch, they molt, shed their skin, several times. Each growth period between molts is called an instar. Some caterpillars have bright warning colors, spines, mimicry patterns, or foul smells to protect themselves from predators. This stage usually lasts 2 to 4 weeks, depending on the species. The larval stage is for rapid growth and energy storage. The caterpillar must accumulate enough nutrients to carry it through its transformation during the next stage. Next stage is the pupa, chrysalis. When the caterpillar reaches its full size, it stops feeding and prepares for its next transformation. Formation of the chrysalis: the caterpillar finds a safe spot, often on a branch, stem, or leaf. It attaches itself using a silk pad or silk girdle. It sheds its final larval skin, revealing the chrysalis underneath. Inside the chrysalis. This is the most extraordinary stage of metamorphosis. The caterpillar's body breaks down through a process called histolysis. Special groups of cells called imaginal discs begin forming the adult structures of the butterfly: wings, antennae, legs, eyes, and proboscis. The pupa remains still, but major transformation is happening internally. The pupal stage can last 7 to 14 days for most species, but some butterflies may remain in this stage for months during winter. The chrysalis stage is for complete reorganization. A crawling caterpillar is transformed into a flying adult butterfly. Next stage is the adult butterfly. Finally, the fully developed butterfly emerges from the chrysalis. Emergence. The chrysalis casing splits open. The butterfly slowly crawls out with soft, crumpled wings. It pumps fluid called hemolymph into its wings to expand and harden them. After a few hours, the butterfly is ready to fly. Characteristics of adult butterflies. Adult butterfly have long, slender bodies, delicate wings with colorful patterns, and a long, coiled feeding tube called the proboscis. Feeding: adult butterflies mostly drink nectar from flowers, but some species may drink tree sap, rotting fruits, or minerals from wet soil. Behavior: butterflies perform behaviors like sunbathing to warm their wings and puddling to absorb minerals. Reproduction: the adult butterfly's main goal is to find a mate and lay eggs, starting the cycle again. Lifespan: adult butterflies usually live 2 to 4 weeks, though some species such as monarchs can live for several months. The life cycle of a butterfly is a remarkable journey of change and adaptation. From a tiny egg to a leaf-eating caterpillar, to a transforming chrysalis, and finally a graceful butterfly, each stage is essential for survival. This cycle shows the beauty of nature's design and reminds us of the many wonders hidden inside even the smallest creatures. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Until then, keep learning and keep smiling. And yes, don't forget to subscribe my channel.